everybody, this is Noah from Noah's Tour Review. Today I'm going to be unboxing a surprise. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's open it. Goes on this side. Wait, is this an iPad? Oh no, it's not, because I want an iPad. Is this a stupid pencil box? What other name is this? Is this a stupid pencil box? Oh no, it's not. I don't know what this is.
What is it?
It's a stupid pencil box. I'm gonna get the grip one.
Rip it open. What is it?
I think it's a thing. I'm thinking it's an iPad because the iPad has a case. Oh my. So we have to go back to open it. This is like a thing. Is this a pencil box, I guess? Oh! It's a pencil box.
No, you know what that is? It's super clay, plasticine, also known as Play Doh.
Play-Doh. What the name is this?
What is that?
I just already got these.
You got some more. That's purple, blue, pink, green, yellow.
And I have everything.
Look at all those colors. So what else is in the bags over there?
Oh.
Did you get more little shapes?
Yeah. And now you have to open it. Sorry, guys.
It's got some shapes in there.
Go back and open this.
What do you got? Little decorating tools?
I don't need these because I don't know.
You know what you do
What?
with those? You actually can make little heads. Like if you want to make a panda, you put the Play-Doh around that.
Alright. Oh, there's some fruit.
Got some more fruits.
And some eyeballs.
Got some eyeballs.
And thank you with that. So just go ahead and open these. Wow! Wow!
How is that?
This one's super cool. It feels like it's just like plasticine the other one. So when you see my last video, you see my plasticine right here by the end of the video. You want to see more Play-Doh video? Click down here both
In the description.
in the description below, and I'll put this in the description below for you to check them out. Which is Play-Doh. Yeah. So this is like Plasticine Play Doh, which is plasticine.
Plasticine, which is Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Let's see this. Let's see these color and that. I want to see this one.
What color is that?
It's pink. A pinkish.
That's hot pink.
Hot pink?
Yeah, that's like really bright pink.
I did not know this is hot pink.
Mm-hmm.
When you feel like it's like wet, but wet. Like wet.
Yeah, you got all of your fingers. Can they stretch it? It can stretch out like bubble gum, huh?
Yeah. Look how long it breaks. See? Oh. Well. So you just go ahead and open these.
Got the little eyeballs.
Oh.
What other colors do you have?
Wow.
So with this, you gotta do like you do with Play-Doh. You have to put it back in the container, or not, it'll dry up,
Yep.
and it'll be no good.
No good. It's called Super Play. I have to use this one because that's all we have. The other one we only
Are you gonna
have-
make a heart? Make
Yeah.
a heart with your Play-Doh.
I will pick my mommy's favorite color as this one. I know the favorite color is this one. So we have to move it inside so you can see me. This is mommy's favorite color. Do you like this color?
Yeah, purple's nice.
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Blue, which is darker blue. So, man, this is like super cool. So,
You could do a few other shapes, huh?
I know. See, I do it too much. Sorry. So you just open these. These are orange. You open these right here. Come on, things. It's like the other one. You have this one. And then you have this one. There's a little ball right here. So that's good. And here's a knife. This is not a real knife, but the play knife. Yep.
You got some other shapes over here too. You can do a star.
See, it doesn't cut you. And here's stars. Woo! The other one it comes with another star. So just go ahead and cut this. This thing cuts very fast. To the other one cuts very, very slow. This one cuts very fast. Woo! Oh, I have to cut that side. Good. Do you like this one? Because it's your sweetheart. Super sweet.
So now what color are you going to do your star?
Blue. We've been waiting for this one. So now you use this one. After we check that one, you have to check this one. And after that one, you have to check this one. And this one too. Alright. So we're done with this one.
So you're going to use the purple?
Yeah. I just done using the purple, now I'm using this.
You're going to do the blue star?
Yeah. Is it dark blue or it's lighter blue?
It's dark blue.
Oh,
The other
yeah.
one's light blue.
This one?
Yep.
Alright, let's open this. Oh my gosh, I love this one. See?
That's dark blue.
I know. And just close and we'll be like, so, let's open this.
Does that stink? Does it smell like Play Doh? Or does it smell good?
It smells like that is over there.
It smells just like the other plasticine?
Yeah, look at super squished. Look at super smushed. Super smushed. You see what happens when you see how long it breaks when I twist it. See, it breaks. That takes 20 minutes to break it. So now you go back what we were doing. Let's move these over there. Wow, that's so cool. Oop, it sticks. Oops, sorry kids, I didn't make you do that.
This is a little stickier, but you still made a star, huh?
Yeah. I have to try again because I messed it up. I did it again! I made an ugly star. It's okay. Last time I did that, and then I used the white, and then it stuck on the butterfly. So I did not notice that one.
Make a little piece of it. Take out a little piece and then do it so it's not so much plasticine, so it won't stick.
This much
Take a little piece and then flatten it out.
like that.
And then do your star.
I know, like that. This is like a little star. It's again.
See? You did a star.
Oh, this looks like Patrick.
That looks like Patrick.
Yeah, because he's like this shape.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Patrick. Looks like Patrick Star. SpongeBob is name. His last name is
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Oh yeah. You know, you can still have that voice. Yeah. I've been waiting this for a long time to get another of this one. But now it is. I should guess it's a plasticine. So now.
Do you like that or Play-Doh?
I like both.
You like both? Now let's try the light blue.
We mean this one?
No, that's a teal. The other one's a light blue.
Oh, this one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you try this one, and after that one, you try this one. All right. Oh, kids, you could take this out, and you will see how long it would take to breaks. It breaks now. Now and not.
That's cool, huh?
Yeah. You can like do this on the table if you want. Wow! Ah, it's all over my head. Ah!
Oh, you dropped it. What are you gonna do with that color?
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Mom. I didn't mean to make a mess. It just got over my.
What are you gonna do with that? Did you want another one so you can make a
I know.
butterfly?
Yeah, butterfly.
Want a
Fly,
butterfly?
it can fly, 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 fly. Give it that. Thank you, Mom. So now after that one, we need to do another shape. How about this one?
Yep.
All right. This one is like a very good one. Like a very good one.
Remember, just use a little bit so you don't get stuck.
I want to see the whole color. Take everything out and see it. Looks like
You got some on the side.
Where?
Where you got it out. Right there. On the plastic container.
Where? Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
I know. So guess what? You see this little thing? There's a little break because I took it out very breaky, and then when you put it back in, and you take it out, you don't see it anymore. There's free right here. You see it breaks very fast. You do that. In fact, let's try this one because this one is looks like a lollipop stick.
A lollipop stick.
Yeah.
It's like a blue ice cream.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a lollipop to me.
Looks like a popsicle to me. A popsicle on a stick.
What? What did you say?
A popsicle, see?
I did not.
That looks like, now that looks like gum.
What did you notice that?
Looks like gum, huh?
I did not notice that one. Is it that? Yeah! Yeah. Now this is the last thing we're gonna do. Oh yeah, we're gonna need to use a little bit.
A little bit of piece.
There you go, like that piece. I'm gonna use this one. This is one more thing to do, and then this video is gonna be done.
I'm gonna do a little butterfly.
Oh, stupid thing. Alright. What the? Let's do one more thing. If it sticks on here, it's gonna not good.
So you're gonna continue playing with your Play-Doh. Tell them they like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're interested in purchasing this pack, all the details will be in the description.
And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And hit the notification button right here.
Oh, I made a butterfly. Orion made this. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe when you like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here. You see the subscribe button, the notification. Get the thumbs up. Now
Check them out at NoANationAdventures.com.
Bye! Thanks for watching.